This dog doesn't just fetch. It can find bombs, track fugitives, and leap through windows at full speed. Meet the Belgian Malinois, the world's most elite working dog, trusted by military and police units around the globe. It combines high intelligence, laser focus, and extreme agility, able to detect explosives, chase targets, and obey voice or hand commands instantly. Trained Malinois can rappel from helicopters, scale walls, and even take down armed suspects, all without hesitation. But beyond the action, they're deeply loyal and form powerful bonds with their handlers. Brave, obedient, and emotionally tuned in. But make no mistake, this is not your average family dog. Malinois need constant training, stimulation, and a job to do. Built for the front lines, loved like family. This is the Belgian Malinois.